Sister?
Brother,
Where are you, my sister?
I'm coming, brother.
Take this. Priya slept?
Yeah, she slept.
Then okay.
I have been asking you to buy honey for the past 1 month. But when you will buy and give it to me, I don't know.
Sorry, I am forgetting it always.
Yeah, right. You will always forget everything. But you will buy your sister everything. But what are you going to do when she gets married and goes away?
Here, coffee.
I don't want to drink this. You drink it up. This is full of milk. It won't digest for me. You drink it.
I'll buy honey for you tomorrow. Now have this drink.
Listen, whoever used to come, I won't forget my brother. If I'm leaving my brother, that was my last day.
இந்த நிலவுக்கு ஏத்தான் இவ்வளவு ஓர வஞ்சனை?
என் நிலாவு நான் அனுபவிச்சு வேதனை போதும். அந்த பொண்ணு கொஞ்சம் அனுபவிக்கட்டும். இந்த திக்குல காயாத அந்த திக்குல காயி.
அத்திக்காய் காய் காய் ஆலங்காய் வெண்ணிலவே இத்திக்காய் காயாதே என்னை போல் பெண்ணல்லவோ நீ என்னை போல் பெண்ணல்லவோ.
What's this, dude? You're just drinking coconut water. Pour some drinks, man.
No, brother. It doesn't suit me at all.
Bro, just think about one thing. If you're a good man or a bad one, everybody's going to go down.
Hey, leave that man. See this guy. The drink is like that only. He is looking that moon and enjoying himself.
I think somebody has done some magic to him. Some kind of devil, I think. I think it has gotten into him. What the hell? Who's the devil here? Dude, what are you dreaming there? Hit him, man. Hey, dude, where are you looking at? Hey, see there.
Look at there, buddy. She's accompanying us.
Who's there? Nobody's there.
Look at there, buddy.
Who's there? It's the moon.
Look inside the moon.
Why are you talking like this?
If I shout, she will get away from here.
Are you mad or what? How can the moon listen to you?
Don't you have any sense? I told you not to shout, right? Now see, she has gone. She was accompanying me for a long time. Do you know that?
Moon will follow anybody you know.
Hey, shut your mouth.
Dude, be safe. Reach home. Be safe, huh?
Hey, shut your mouth and get away from this place.
Hey, அங்க என்ன தேடிட்டு பார்த்துட்டு இருக்க?
That guy is exercising. Why are you looking at it? Go.
Our boss. Hey.
Hey, full of NS. I can never grow with you people. Huh? What, madam? Where are you going with the country chicken?
From Kerala, your brother has come, right? That is why.
Boss, your brother has arrived, it seems.
If he has come, why are you worried? Huh? Where has she gone? Oh, he's going to have 2 varieties of chicken today.
Boss. Look at there.
Hey, you're gone mad, man. She's a pregnant lady.
I didn't mean that. She is a pregnant lady. If you help her with 2 pots of water, she'll be very much pleased. And vote for you, no?
Yes, boss.
Now, what do you want me to do? I should go and help there, isn't it?
Go and help.
Now, look. How am I going to go there? Blessings.
Huh?
What, madam? You're finding it hard to pump water?
What should I say? If I sit down, I can't get up. If I get up, I can't sit.
I see. Just be aside. I'll help you. If you're sitting down, you're not able to get up. If you're standing, you're not able to sit down. Quietly lie down.
If I sleep, my husband doesn't leave me.
Your husband is even on that way.
Yes.
Okay, what's your husband working as?
He does all household works.
Job at home? What is that job?
He puts the mat and put the pillow.
Covering with the bed cover, then rolling and keeping it back. Is that job?
Yeah.
It's a romantic job.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, how many kids do you have?
What should I say? I've got 5 boys and 10 girls. Apart from that, this is also there.
Is that so? There is an advertisement by the government. V2, ours one. Have you never even read that ever?
What is this? It is written on the wine shop and on the bottle.
What?
Drinks will ruin the country and the family. But still, nobody leaves the drinks.
Stupid guy. How many times I want you don't come with me? You talked about him, isn't it? Next time I'll not bring him with me. Okay, now tell me, do you have any idea of stopping after this? Or you want to still proceed with this?
Yeah, for that, last year I went to see a saint.
Went to meet the saint?
Yes, he said mantras and tied a string.
Oh.
When you sleep,
Uh.
you put a circle around you. Not
Okay.
only your husband, even an insect will not come near you.
Then
he
how
said.
all these things happened again?
What can I say now? By
Okay.
mistake. In my sleep, I turned that side.
You crossed the border this time?
What is this? I'm feeling shy.
She's feeling shy also. 5 boys and 10 girls. Hey, you'll be standing here listening to the conversation? Hey, good for nothing, fellows. When I was pumping water, you should have helped the lady lifting the pot, taken a snap, and pasted posters. Then only people
Why
will vote for
photo,
me.
boss? I just took a video.
You shot a film?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. That's how we will put it on satellite and make you famous.
What a clever guy. What have you done? Did you know what I was speaking and I shot that in video? You want to show this in cable TV also? What? Strangle your neck. Hang him, man. Hey, come, let's go to the other street and ask for votes over there. Come, let's
Let's
go.
go, boss.
Ponna auntie?
Who is that? Come inside. What do you want? My auntie's hip is sprained. Okay, go and sit there. Did you lift any heavy things?
She picked up heavy pots. That is why, grandmother, her hip is sprained.
Oh, that is the problem now.
Mm.
Girls should do always the household works. That is good for health. Hey, Sendur,
What, Grandma?
go and bring some branches.
Shame, puppy shame. That puppy shame is looking this side.
Keep quiet.
What's up, Tarachi? Aren't you feeling well?
Hey girl, come here. Turn towards south. One relative should be there. Her brother is not here. Hey Sendur, come here.
What's up, paper? Our dude is full of romance, it seems, huh? You seem so different, huh? Hey. Come, dude. Come. Give my friend a special cup of tea. How's the business going, bro?
Yes, dear.
What, bro? Until when are you going to sell it for 100 and 200?
What else can I do in this deserted town?
Hey, dude. Just like us, go somewhere and get a kilo or two and build houses and get your sister married to a good boy like me. Instead, you are...
Stop the nonsense. That won't work for me.
What won't be okay? Everything will be okay. Just think about it. What's up, dude? In the broad daylight, you're daydreaming, huh? Huh? Just look at my friend. Such a strong friend I had, and somebody's made him weak on his knees, huh?
I don't know, buddy, exactly. If I see her, I'm feeling something within my
Oh,
heart.
yeah? You're lying down in this scorching sunlight, huh? Something will happen to your heart.
You're kidding me? Let her come now. I will make her to call me darling immediately.
Whatever you make her do. You will make her laugh well. I haven't seen her talk to anybody properly. She and calling you darling.
You idiot.
Hey bro, not going to the school? Huh? Oh. What's up, dude? Somebody was telling me something about darling and all, huh? What happened now?
Hey bro, he will hit the persons without any reason. If he knows the truth means he will kill us.
Hey, just be silent. I will take care of it. Hello, uncle.
Welcome, my dear. You come with the village people? Anything special?
We are going to conduct a tournament. That's what came to see you.
Is it? It's a good thing. Please sit down.
Hey, get a chair now.
What tournament are playing?
Kabaddi game. No, uncle. They are demanding for cricket. But we suggested for Kabaddi as seniors would like it. That's what, just to start the sponsorship collection, we came here to meet you.
It's very good thing. I'll definitely do it for you. Listen, sister.
Brother?
Bring 500 rupees.
Okay, brother.
Somebody went up to the door and lost himself. Huh?
Bro, please give me some water.
Go.
Oh yeah. The most important thing is water. And you don't give that to anybody. Hey brother, come here. Take it and pour this into that. He will die one day, I think. Somebody needs to eat snacks also in between. I haven't seen anybody drink something like this. Hey dude! Hey! Don't drink like this. What will happen to you?
Hey,
Hey.
stop this bad habit. When did you?
If you hit me with a knife, I will not feel any pain. That stupid girl is troubling me a lot. I don't know what to do, buddy. It's like hitting on my heart.
Hey, drink some water, man.
I feel like I turned out to be a mad and I'm remembering her. Till date she hasn't looked at me at all. But my heart says to see her right now, buddy.
You can't sit here and think about wanting her. If just you feel it, that's a disease. And if she also feel it, that's love.
Brother, love is like dry fish. It will stink. But one who eats it will love it.
See the philosophy of Socrates?
Get me a bullseye.
Get full for me, huh?
Stop the song! If the love is not here, this Yartoda turned out to be graveyard.
Oh my god. I am hurt at home. I thought I can have a beer here. But these villagers are not going to let me alone here also. Hey! Oh, they are aggressive till the last bench, I think so. Who is he? Oh my God, leave me alone. I don't want to be sitting here for any beer.
Very poor girl. How can she live with this small girl child? That crooked fellow killed him brutally.
You go to work to a place, you must behave well. He went there and stole something. Will they be quiet?
This is happening every now and then, but no one is ready to correct themselves. It's okay. Why you want to go to Kerala immediately?
Somebody asked me to come and get some money.
What, man? How are you?
I'm good.
Okay.
Dude, just be here for some time. I'll go and get it.
Okay, buddy.
You fool! Are you out of your senses? Is this the right time to drink? Where's the bag? How was he caught?
We both jumped off the wall together. I think when we were running through the grove, he was caught.
All three of you leave. Shall meet you in the village.